Alright, so here we have a beautiful male reticulated giraffe here at the zoo. These guys, there's actually 4 species of giraffe, and a lot of people don't know that. This one's a reticulated giraffe. If you look behind you, you have what we call the Maasai giraffe, a little bit darker. But the way you can tell different species of giraffe is the pattern of their spots, which is really interesting. Giraffes are a very cool animal because, of course, as everyone knows, they are the world's tallest animal. And their main food is actually this plant called the acacia tree. Now, acacia trees have huge, thick 5-inch needles on them to try and keep animals like the giraffe from eating them. So what they do is they go around those needles with their long black tongues. I believe their tongues are a foot long. Really interesting is they grab it with their tongue and they bring it in, and their tongues are nice and callous too, so even if they get stabbed with the acacia thorns, they can't feel it and they don't really care. Another interesting thing about giraffes is when 2 males are fighting over a female or a territory or something like that, they don't ram their heads like a sheep or an elk would. Instead, what they do is they take their heads and they smack each other with their heads on their sides. It's a really intense battle, so it's really interesting. We got one right here if you want to come up and take a look. As you can see, they do have horns on their head. That's what they use to smack into each other. Really long tail to whip away bugs and animals like that. The main predator that they have in the wild is lions. Lions who try and take down full-grown giraffes. But a lion can be killed by a giraffe kicking them. One kick can break a lion's skull. So these are really powerful animals and they're not to mess with. However, as any zookeeper knows, giraffes are particularly dumb. Not very smart animals. We think that, animals with hooves tend not to be smart anyways, but giraffes are really dumb animals. They are very small though, and people really like them. And they are considered vulnerable in the wild, so we do try to keep breeding them because they're really good conservation animals. Yep. You got the bongo peeing.
Bongo peeing. What's that noise? Bongo peeing.
It's a bongo. Eastern bongo. Critically endangered antelope. Pees about 2 gallons.
It's about?
Just about.